Miss, I love pickled eggs, but I will not. You know what pickled egg is? It's a hood snack. It's in the hood. Miss, what's your name? Shannon?
Actually says Evelyn, but that's
Okay,
not her name.
okay. His name tag. I'll bring you one.
Okay.
It's good.
What is it? Is it actually an egg?
It's an egg and pickled sausage juice.